So pwede kayong dayain ng mga tao ninyo sa region, sa district, pwede magsinungaling at sasabihin, Secretary, tapos na po ito. So wala kayong way to find out na yung project na yon completed at hindi substandard. Umaasa lang po kayo sa report ng district engineer, project engineer, regional director. Eh may kutsabahan ho yan eh. Let's face it, alam niyo naman ho, may kutsabahan. Tama po ba? With your RD, DE, project engineer at saka contractor, may kutsabahan na yan.
Naintindihan ko yon na pwedeng itago. Pero pag ghost ko kasi at wala talagang ginawa, ilang tao yung kasama ho dyan para magkaroon ng ghost project na 2 taon nang nakalipas, doon lang ho natin malalaman. How many people? Is that the whole district? Is that sa head office, sa COA?
Mr. Secretary, ano po, wala po kayong list. Yung kagaya po nasabi ni Senator Raffy kanina na isa lang po ang kuan, pero lahat pumasa, isa lang ang blacklist nyo. Of this 15, lahat po ito good performance so ito since 2022. Lahat po nagawa nila, nakumpleto nila yung project.
As far as our monitoring records are concerned, Mr. Chair, this is completed naman yung sa records namin, no? Completed. As far as the central office records are concerned, actually, I'm not saying that in the field this could be a different story, but actually in our monitoring records in the department, they are completed because completed po lahat yung records, completed po.
Completed, pero what I'm saying is like, hindi nyo sigurado sa inyo, sa main office, lalo na yung office mo, kung yung proyekto kagaya na pinakita ni Chair Marcoleta kanina, yung wasak o durog na tulay or whatever it is, yung embankment, hindi ho ninyo mamamonitor yan? Kasi,
Hindi. Because we...
so pwede kayong dayain ng mga tao ninyo sa region, sa district, pwede magsinungaling at sasabihin, Secretary, tapos na po ito. So wala kayong way to find out na yung project na yon completed at hindi substandard? Wala pong ganon?
Well, we rely actually on the data that is fed to us, actually, the central office, Your Honor, at that point in time. No? But,
This data, Mr. Secretary, you're just relying sa mga tao ninyo sa field, sa district engineer,
Yes, Your
sa
Honor.
regional director.
Yes,
Tama
Your
po?
Honor. Tama po.
So, ang ibig niyo pong sabihin, yung dadaan ng kuntulay, pupunta ako sa probinsya ngayon, hindi ko sigurado kung safe po ba yun, talagang matibay ba yun, because you're just relying. Paano kung substandard po yung tulay? Kagaya po nang nangyari sa Kabagan, Isabela. Paano po yun? How? How will you know? How will I know? Na driver mo, kasama ko, pamilya ko, mag-out of town kami, long weekend pa naman, next week, this Thursday. Paano pala, kung substandard pala ho yung tulay na yun? Let's not talk about flood control muna. Let's talk about these projects. Kung hindi po ninyo namomonitor, at yung umaasa lang kayo sa mga tao ninyo, how are we going, ika nga, masasabi natin na safe yung kalsada na yan, safe yung tulay na yan? Kung umaasa lang po kayo sa report ng district engineer, project engineer, regional director, may kutsabahan ho yan eh. Let's face it, alam niyo naman ho, may kutsabahan. Tama po ba? With your RD, DE, project engineer at saka contractor, may kutsabahan na yan, Mr. Secretary.
Your Honor, I think your premise is correct. That I think at the central office, even me, I would just have to rely on the authenticity of the reports that come to me actually from the field offices, you know, all over the country.
Okay.
So until such time that there's a report, there is a report that will come to me that hindi tama, then that's the time that I have to have an action on it, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi po niyo pagtuunan ng pansin? Ito pa, Mr. Secretary, meron kayong interceptor project dito sa Antipolo na kung saan doon ako nakatira sa village namin. Kapag yung ulan talaga pa, naging 30 minutes to 1 hour, tuloy-tuloy. Nako, hindi na ako makakalabas ng village, Mr. Secretary. Ganito yung ginawa ninyo eh. Yung project involves the interconnection of water tributaries in La Colina and Mayamot areas in the city of Antipolo. Kinukolekta yan para lamang padaanin do sa Munting Dilaw traversing creeks in 24 villages in Cainta, Imelda Avenue, tsaka Marcos Highway. Anong klaseng, hindi ko maintindihan ang logic nitong interceptor na ito. Yun pong MacArthur Highway, malapit lang sa Marikina River. Isang medyo malaki-laking, ano tawag doon? Malaki-laking pipes ang ilagay nyo para lahat ng ulan na yon madrain natin sa Marikina River. It's only about 1 kilometer. Bakit kinakailangan lubugin na kami ng lubugin 24 villages in Cainta? Nang dahil sa interceptor project na ito ng DPWH. Ganito po lahat ang nangyayari. Mamaya na po yung sa akin, Senator Bam.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Secretary, commercial muna. We had a hearing po sa classroom building. I'm sure na-monitor po ninyo. Hiningi po namin sa DPWH ang detailed unit price analysis, detailed breakdown of costs, bill of materials, standards and specifications, and the MOA between DPWH and DepEd regarding classroom construction, terms of reference, and other related DepEd and DPWH orders. Si Yusek Ayapana po yung nag-attend. May we get your commitment to submit all of these documents before our TWG, Mr. Secretary?
Yes, Your Honor. I think I have signed actually the transmittal of that document yesterday, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Ito po yung mga tanong ko. So, magkano po sa ating NEP ang flood control po for 2026?
I think it's about 243
243.
billion.
Okay. Itong 243 billion for 2026, Mr. Secretary, ito ba ay nakalapat dun sa mga areas na pinaka-flood prone? Or may makikita pa rin tayo mga proyekto na wala sa mga top areas?
That amount is distributed all over the country in each legislative district.
Okay.
I'm afraid, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Secretary, ibig sabihin, whether yung lugar ay flood prone o hindi, meron silang pang flood control project.
That's probably the...
Is that a wise assessment, Mr. President, considering that there are some provinces na di hamak mas flood prone kaysa sa iba?
Well, what I can only say, Your Honor, is actually these are actually the local priority projects that have been proposed per legislative district.
Okay. So you're saying, Mr. President, ito yung request ng mga kongresista, no?
Yes.
At mga maybe mayors and governors as well, or just congressmen?
Mostly, well, I don't know how the considerations from the local governments, but as far as I know, these are actually the projects that are incorporated in the allocation for each legislative district. Your
Okay.
Honor.
Hindi kaya, Mr. Secretary, since a billion peso project, at hindi naman po ito nabubuo in 1 month. Gaano po katagal usually yung mga flood control project? Ilang buwan po yan o ilang taon po yan bago po mabuo?
Well, Your Honor, we any project for that matter that is included into the National Expenditure Program, we have 2 years actually to
2 years.
implement. Yes.
So kung may ghost project po kasi, ibig sabihin nun, 2 taon na nagbulag-bulagan po yung mga kasama ho natin. Ano? Kasi it's quite surprising for me. No? Nakikita ho namin sa news na may mga underspec o kulang yung, ano ba tawag doon, sheet pile ba yun? Kulang ng haba. You know, naintindihan ko yun na pwedeng itago. Pero pag ghost ho kasi, at wala talagang ginawa, ilang tao yung kasama ho dyan para magkaroon ng ghost project na 2 taon nang nakalipas, doon lang ho natin malalaman. How many people? Is that the whole district? Is that sa head office, sa COA? Sa tingin po ninyo, sino-sino po yung mga dapat po nag-check po niyan? Pwede niyo pong banggitin? Who are the personnel who have to be involved? Kasi billion-billion po ito, tapos walang nagawa. No? Parang, for me, no? Ibig sabihin, no, napakaraming tao yung kailangan talaga magbulag-bulagan para dito. Mr. Secretary.
Well, it all starts actually doon po sa project implementing unit. At whoever is implementing the project, Your Honor, from the supervisor, the project engineer, accountant, and everybody, including the final payment.
Lahat po yan. Kailangan, kung ghost to, meaning wala talagang nagawa.
Tama naman, kasi actually, at the final analysis, actually, may pipirma ho kung sino yung pipirma, accountable for pipirma kung sino na na nabayaran yung project na ghost project.
So, tingin niyo po,
Marami.
Mr. Secretary, 5 tao yan? 10 tao yan? Isang buong unit ba yan? How many people need to be involved para matuloy ang isang ghost project po na ganito kalaking pera at ganito kahabang panahon ng paggawa?
Well, I'm sure that many people actually will be involved in the process, Your Honor. And this is what we want to intend actually to find out in our investigations right now.
Okay. So Secretary, Mr. Secretary, I'm sure the committee will welcome your report. Sabi niyo po, in 1 week's time,
Yes, po.
meron na po tayong report kung ghost ba ito or may shortcut po ba yung mga proyektong ito. But nakakabahala po na kung may ghost project nga, at sabi nga niyo po, tingin niyo po, meron, ay napakarami po taong involved po talaga dyan, no? Mula po sa ahensya at sa labas ng ahensya. No, okay. Maybe a final question.
Mr. Chair, Senator,
yes.
just on your
Yes,
point,
go ahead,
may
go
I? But may I also ask permission for Secretary Mina? I think they started the deliberation in the House yesterday, and she has tons of meetings today. If there are no questions for her, Mr. Chairman, I hope you will allow her to leave already.
Yes,
Yes. Yeah, my-
provided you will come back. Okay.
Thank you. Mr. Chairman, thank you. With your permission, Senator Bam, Mr. Chairman, just one point on that. Sec, when we discussed yung tulay na bumaksak, wala masyadong nag-pick up siguro dahil kasagsagan ng eleksyon, maraming issues, but the Blue Ribbon Committee did have several hearings. I asked you two things, no? Bakit mukhang exempted ang DPWH sa preventive suspension? Alam niyo po, si Senator Miriam Defensor, nilabanan niya yun dito because she was preventively suspended. Then she became senator. But ang argument niya is that I cannot cover kasi wala na ako dun sa opisina na yon. But I heard kanina na walang na-preventive suspension. So in connection sa tanong ni Senator Bam, kung meron nagtatakip sa ghost, wala pa tayo dun sa iba, sa ghost, pero hindi siya preventively suspended, then he or she will have time. Second point lang, and I'll stop there because nakapila naman yung iba. Ito, Sec, sinubmit nyo sa amin DPWH protocols for ensuring the quality of safety infrastructure projects. According sa makapal na memo na to, from the central office all the way down to the DE, meron na silang quality control. So, my point, Sec, no, I don't know kung mahaba o maikli yung answer dito. Pero if you find the ghost, yung point nga ni Senator Bram, grabe yung dami ng taong nakisama doon. But having said that, Sec, nakalagay dito sa memo nyo that the quality control should be submitted all the way up to the USEC. So lahat ng completed, meron ng report ang USEC. So maybe you should submit yung report ng USEC galing sa quality control. Kasi kung nakalagay doon completed tapos ghost, edi lahat nung nag-report hanggang doon sa USEC. I'm not saying involved yung USEC. Kasi nire-report lang sa kanila. Pero lahat ng bumaba, involved sila. Kasi bakit sila magre-report na completed kung wala? So I just submit that point, Mr. Chair, no? And maybe the Secretary can give us an insight. Paano ba nagwo-work to?
Tama pa yan. I think, yes, we have instituted actually that a protocol, Your Honor, that from the top, there are quality assurance units that the department would field in looking at some of the projects. Not all the projects, Your Honor, because there are thousands of projects that we implement in a year. So there is, yung quality assurance units namin would go into a region and
So, assuming, Sec, na hindi lahat may quality assurance, pero reporting-wise, lahat ng completed, umaakit yan, di ba?
Yes po, yes.
Oh, so, until what point ang kailangan may physical na na-verify? So, if the DE reports that it's finished, it's a district engineer project, or the regional office says kompleto to, pag nag-report siya sa ASEC, titignan ba ng ASEC yun, or he'll take the regional directors? I think yun yung gusto namin maklarify para alam namin kung sino ipatatawag namin.
Yes. Meron po yung quality assurance unit in all levels, Your Honor. Meron sa district